In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Chrome. This process will take about 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have Grammarly set up in your browser, enhancing your writing experience across the web. Let's dive right in. To start with, you'll need to log into your Grammarly account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up for it. Visit the Grammarly website, and on the landing page, click on the option to log in. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Grammarly account. After typing in your email, hit the continue button and you'll be directed to the next step. Once you're on the main Grammarly document page, you'll notice a menu with several options. Since our goal is to integrate Grammarly with Chrome, we need to navigate to the apps section of the website. Click on apps, which should present you with a list of available applications and integrations Grammarly offers. Now pay attention to the option labelled Grammarly for Chrome. Click on it to begin the setup for your browser extension. This is a key step as it ensures that Grammarly will be able to check your grammar across various websites, from emails to social media platforms. Next, you'll be directed to a page that provides installation instructions for Grammarly in Chrome. Click on the install button. What happens here is that you're being quickly redirected to the Chrome Web Store, where you'll see Grammarly's page. Here you will find the familiar Add to Chrome button. Go ahead and click it. Once you've clicked Add to Chrome, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the addition of the extension. It's important to click Add Extension in this pop-up to complete the installation. This step is what allows Grammarly to integrate fully with your Chrome browser, giving it permission to function and assist wherever you write online. After adding the extension, you might want to pin it to your Chrome toolbar so it's easily accessible whenever you need it. To do this, click on the puzzle piece icon in Chrome to view all your extensions, then click the pin icon next to Grammarly. With Grammarly installed, open any document or web page where you can type. Click on the Grammarly extension icon. Once you do, Grammarly will actively start suggesting corrections as you type. This tool is particularly useful as it not only corrects grammar and spelling errors, but can also help generate ideas for your writing, making it a powerful aid for any writer. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully integrated Grammarly with your Chrome browser, making it easier than ever to ensure your writing is clear, effective, and mistake-free. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing.